The cheapest chair on the quote sheet can become the most expensive one in your building, because in high-traffic environments, furniture should be judged by long-term performance, not just purchase price. A residential chair might perform perfectly well in a living room, but in a restaurant, lobby, classroom, clinic, or office, it faces constant sitting, dragging, stacking, spills, and aggressive cleaning every single day. That difference matters because commercial furniture is built for repeated use, shifting layouts, and high-traffic environments, while home furniture is usually designed for lighter cycles and far less abuse. The failure pattern is usually predictable. Screwed or glued joints loosen under repetitive load, frames develop fatigue leading to wobble or collapse risks, residential laminates, paints, stains, and finishes break down under constant cleaning, and non-commercial upholstery with weak double-rub performance starts showing wear far earlier than expected. Once that starts, the issue is no longer cosmetic. You get liability issues, rooms that look tired, and more maintenance calls, which means the furniture is now affecting operations, safety, and brand perception. This is why smart buyers look at total cost of ownership and cost per year. The math is simple. Take purchase price, add maintenance and replacement, then divide by expected service life. If a low-cost chair lasts 2 years and a commercial-grade chair lasts 8, the cheaper option can end up costing more annually even before you factor in labor, disruption, and repeat purchasing. The hidden costs add up fast. Downtime, lost seating capacity, rushed replacements, damaged guest or employee experience, and extra strain on facilities teams all show up long before the invoice is forgotten. Then there is compliance exposure, safety risk, and sustainability concerns with using non-commercial grade furniture in commercial settings. A chair that fails early does not just cost more, it creates more operational friction across the business. That is why commercial buyers look for specifications tied to real performance, including testing frameworks like BIFMA and ASTM, because a higher upfront cost often leads to a lower total ownership cost in practice. The logic holds across sectors. In hospitality, healthcare, education, hotels, and offices, furniture has to survive repeat use, sanitation routines, movement, and demanding service expectations without breaking down early. That is where Oak Street Manufacturing stands out. Its approach combines advanced metal fabrication and welding, commercial-grade finishes and upholstery, and engineering choices designed specifically for high-traffic environments. The value is not just durability, it is also fit for the project with customization options, dependable commercial construction, and quick ship capability when timelines matter. The upside goes beyond cost control. Better furniture supports a stronger brand impression, a better employee and guest experience, and a more durable environment that still looks intentional years later. It also supports sustainability, layout flexibility, and risk mitigation, because buying once for performance and longevity usually creates less waste and fewer surprises than buying cheap and replacing often. As you evaluate your next project, compare furniture on lifecycle value, not just unit price. Look at service life, maintenance, durability testing, and total cost of ownership before you approve the spend. The bottom line is simple. In high-traffic environments, the right furniture is not a commodity purchase. It is a strategic asset that protects operations, experience, and long-term ROI. Thanks for watching. Visit Oak Street Manufacturing's website to explore our full product line and helpful resources. Subscribe for more restaurant tips and keep watching with our playlist and previous video right here. See you next time.